Hi there, welcome to our latest YouTube video. Today we're gonna talk about Apex Trigger, and this lesson provides an introduction to Apex Trigger, which are code snippets that can be used to execute custom logic before or after certain events occur in Salesforce, such as creating a record or updating a field. Understanding Understand the basic of Apex Trigger and their purpose. Apex Trigger are like superpowers for developer in Salesforce. They are piece of code that get executed when certain event occur, like creating or updating records. Their purpose is to automate tasks and streamline workflow in Salesforce, which can save developer a lot of time and make their organizations more efficient. Some common case for Apex Trigger include enforcing data quality rules, updating related records, and sending notification to user or external system. With Apex Trigger, developers can take their Salesforce customization to the next level and become true Salesforce superhero. How to create an Apex trigger and trigger context variable. Creating an Apex trigger might seem intimidating, but it's actually not as difficult as it sounds. In Salesforce, a trigger is a piece of code that gets executed when a certain event occurs, like creating or updating record. In this video, you will learn how to create your own Apex trigger and use trigger context variable to access information about the record that triggered the code. Context variable provide useful information such as the old and new values of the records and can be used to perform a variety of action like updating related records or sending notification. By end of this video, you will be able to create your own Apex trigger and make use of trigger context variable to create custom workflow and automate tasks in Salesforce. How to test Apex trigger? Testing Apex triggers is a crucial step in the development process, as it ensures that the code is functioning properly and won't cause any unexpected issue in production. In this video, you will learn how to test your Apex trigger using Salesforce built-in testing framework. The framework allows you to create test data and simulate user interaction to ensure that your trigger is responding to change in data as intended. By testing your trigger, you can catch any error or bugs before they cause problems for your organization. You will also learn best practice for testing triggers, such as creating test data that covers different scenarios and using assertions to verify expected outcomes. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to test your Apex trigger and ensure that they are functioning correctly in your Salesforce org. Learn best practice for developing Apex Trigger. Developing Apex Trigger can be a powerful tool for streamlining workflow and automating tasks in Salesforce. However, it's important to follow best practice to ensure that your code is efficient, scalable, and won't cause any issues for your organization. In this video, you will learn best practice for developing Apex Trigger, such as using bulkification to avoid hitting Salesforce governor limits, avoiding SOQL, query in loops, and making use of trigger frameworks to simplify your code. These best practices will help you to create a reliable and efficient trigger that won't negatively impact your Salesforce org. By following these guidelines, guidelines, you can take your Apex Trigger development to the next level and make the most out of this powerful Salesforce tool.